Hello everyone, let me show you how I win this trade. So as you can see on the 5 minute time frame, we have already taken out this high, which is our liquidity level. Okay, and now what we see on the Monday, we have been trading from this huge gap. Let me mark this out. And right now at this situation, I was just waiting that what price wanna do, as we have seen that accumulation on the Asian and London session as well. So I was ready for the buys as well as for the shorts. So I was waiting. I just I was just waiting for the price to take out this low, and if price wanna go up, let's see if we get a reversal or not. Let's just wait. Still waiting at this situation. Okay, let me just. So on the Monday, I was. Hello everyone, welcome to the KS Capital. Let me quick break down this trade that I took on the Monday. On the Monday, I've seen that we have taken out this high as the liquidity as well as, and also we are trading from this opening gap. So I was waiting on the Monday to price to take out this low. This is the Asian low. We have already been consolidating this level. So I was actually expecting some buys, but I was actually ready for the sells as well. So I just waited for the 8:30 opening. Uh, let me just quick. As you can see, at the 8:30 we have opened, and I went on the 1 minute time frame. As we can see that this 5 minute candle closes below this indicates me that we want to go lower, and we should target this low as well. Oh, sorry. So this indicates me that price wanna go lower and target this level. So I just went on the 1 minute time frame. I waited for my setup to appear at this situation. Let's just forward this. I waited here. I waited. This is the 8:30 opening. As you can see that we have been this order flow. Uh, this is our recent high, so we can mark it as our liquidity zone. So let's just wait for price to do anything. This is the opening range we have. Okay, this is the high, this is the low. I was just waiting. Let's wait. Okay, so price took out this high. This is our liquidation candle. This price took out this high, the liquidation, and I was actually waiting for the price to close below this. So I just waited. As you can see, we have this bullish, bearish candle closed below this low. So at this situation, I know that we are gonna see more sells today, as we already taken out this high, and I waited for my more confluences. So as you can see, price traded inside this fair value gap. Okay, rejected. I waited. Price went more higher. As you can, as yeah, as you know, I talked about earlier that I was bullish on my side. So I just uh, uh, I was actually expecting price to close above this high with a candle body closer, so that I can take the buys, and I was actually waiting. But as soon as price did not close above this, I know that this is a manipulation step. So I waited. Price went down, and price takes out this low. So I was expecting for some reversal from here, but price did not give me. It just traded inside this fair value gap, and we closed, and price closed the 5 minute candle below this low. So I know that at this situation I knew that price wanna go lower, so I just wanna follow the price. So I wait, this was my order block. Okay, on the 1 minute. If I go and show you on the 5 minute, we have this fair value gap as well. So I was waiting for my to take the short position. I was waiting for price to tap into this fair value gap, and then it gives me a rejection so that I can take the short position. I went on the 1 minute time frame. I waited. Okay, so as you can see that on the 1 minute time frame we have tapped into this fair value gap. We also tapped into this order block. Price rejected, so I just want to see the price closing a candle body closer below this low, and I waited. So this is the point when I take my position. I just uh, take out at the retest my stop loss here. I just want price to retest at this order block, and then I will enter. So I just waited for the price to mitigate this. So price mitigated, I entered right here when the price was inside right here at this exact position, and this trade gives me 2 hours in just a few minutes, as you can see. So I will meet you in the next video.